Starting a cake baking business in Kenya can be a rewarding way to earn a steady income. Cakes are needed throughout the year for birthdays, weddings, graduations, baby showers, anniversaries, corporate events, religious celebrations, and many other occasions. As more people celebrate special moments with customized cakes, the demand for skilled cake bakers continues to grow. With good planning, quality products, and excellent customer service, a small cake business can grow into a trusted brand. The first step is to learn how to bake quality cakes consistently. If you are a beginner, take time to practice different recipes until you can produce cakes with the same taste and quality every time. Learn how to bake sponge cakes, chocolate cakes, vanilla cakes, red velvet cakes, fruit cakes, and marble cakes. You should also learn cake decorating using buttercream, whipped cream, fondant, edible prints, and fresh flowers where appropriate. Many customers choose a baker because of attractive decorations as much as the delicious taste. Research your local market before investing your money. Visit bakeries in your area and study what they sell. Find out which cakes are popular, their prices, and what customers like most. Look for gaps in the market. For example, you may specialize in children's birthday cakes, wedding cakes, cupcakes, healthy cakes with less sugar, or affordable celebration cakes for families. Having a clear target market helps you stand out from competitors. Prepare a simple business plan before you begin. Your plan should explain what you will sell, who your customers are, how much money you need, where you will operate, how you will market your business, and how much profit you expect to make. Even a one-page business plan can help you make better decisions and avoid unnecessary expenses. Choose where you will operate your business. Many people start from home because it reduces rent and other operating costs. If your kitchen is spacious, clean, and organized, it can be a good starting point. As your customer base grows, you can move into a commercial kitchen or open a bakery shop in a busy location. Whichever option you choose, ensure that the premises meet local public health requirements for food preparation and handling. Register your business if you want to operate professionally. Depending on your business structure, you may register a business name or another suitable legal structure. You will also need the permits and licenses required by your county government for food businesses. Since you will be preparing food for the public, your premises should meet food hygiene standards and may require inspection by public health officers before approval. Always confirm the latest requirements with your county government before opening your business. Purchase quality equipment according to your budget. You do not need to buy everything at once. A beginner may start with a good oven, an electric mixer, measuring cups, mixing bowls, cake tins of different sizes, cooling racks, piping bags, decorating nozzles, spatulas, cake turntables, weighing scales, and storage containers. As your business grows, you can invest in larger mixers, display fridges, and commercial baking equipment that increase production. The amount of money required depends on the size of your business. A simple home-based cake baking business may start with approximately 50,000 Kenya shillings to 150,000 Kenya shillings. This amount can cover basic equipment, ingredients, packaging materials, licenses, branding, and initial marketing. A larger commercial bakery will require a much bigger investment. Buy quality ingredients from reliable suppliers. Fresh flour, sugar, eggs, butter or margarine, milk, baking powder, cocoa, food coloring, vanilla flavoring, fondant, and decorating supplies directly affect the quality of your cakes. Cheap ingredients may reduce costs, but can disappoint customers. Build good relationships with suppliers so that you receive consistent quality and reasonable prices. Set your prices carefully. Do not simply copy the prices charged by other bakers. Calculate the total cost of ingredients, electricity or gas, packaging, transport, labor, rent, and other business expenses. Add a reasonable profit margin before deciding your selling price. If your prices are too low, you may attract customers but struggle to make a profit. If your prices are too high without offering extra value, customers may choose another baker. Packaging is another important part of your business. Use strong cake boxes that protect the cake during transport. Include your business name, logo, phone number, and social media pages on your packaging whenever possible. Attractive packaging creates a professional image and encourages customers to recommend your business to others. Marketing is one of the biggest factors that determine success. Take clear, high-quality photographs of every cake you bake. Share them regularly on social media platforms. Create short videos showing your baking process, cake decorating, and happy customers receiving their cakes. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and recommend your business to family and friends. Word-of-mouth marketing remains one of the most powerful ways to grow a cake business in Kenya. You should also create a simple online presence, a business page on social media, and a messaging platform where customers can place orders makes communication easier. Respond quickly to inquiries, provide accurate quotations, and confirm delivery dates early. Customers appreciate businesses that communicate professionally. Offer excellent customer service from the first conversation to the final delivery. Listen carefully to customer requests. Discuss flavors, colors, sizes, and designs before accepting the order. Confirm all details in advance to avoid misunderstandings. Deliver cakes on time, because celebrations usually follow strict schedules. A beautiful cake that arrives late can damage your reputation. Keep proper financial records from the first day. Record every sale and every expense, no matter how small. Monitor how much money you spend on ingredients, transport, electricity, packaging, and marketing. Good records help you understand whether your business is making a profit and make it easier to plan for future growth. As your business expands, you can introduce additional products such as cupcakes, cookies, donuts, brownies, cake slices, dessert boxes, cake jars, and pastries. Offering more products allows customers to buy several items during one visit and increases your income. However, expand gradually so that quality remains high. Quality control should always be your priority. Every cake should taste fresh, have the correct texture, and look attractive. Never compromise on cleanliness. Wash your hands regularly, clean your equipment thoroughly, store ingredients properly, and keep your kitchen organized. Safe food handling protects your customers and strengthens your reputation. Running a cake baking business is not without challenges. The prices of ingredients can increase, electricity costs may rise, competition can become stronger, and customers sometimes place urgent orders with very short notice. There may also be seasonal changes, where demand is higher during holidays and wedding seasons. Successful entrepreneurs prepare for these challenges by planning ahead, managing their finances carefully, and maintaining good relationships with customers. One of the best ways to grow your business is through continuous learning. Baking trends change every year. New decorating styles, flavors, and techniques appear regularly. Attend baking workshops, watch educational videos, read baking books, and practice new designs. The more skills you develop, the more customers you can attract. Patience is important because few businesses become successful overnight. During the first months, you may receive only a few orders each week. Continue improving your products, marketing your business, and serving every customer with excellence. Happy customers often become repeat buyers and recommend your services to others. A cake baking business in Kenya offers a real opportunity for people who enjoy baking and serving others. With the right skills, proper planning, quality ingredients, good customer service, and consistent marketing, you can build a profitable business that grows steadily over time. Every successful bakery started with one customer and one well-baked cake. If you remain committed to quality and professionalism, your cake baking business can become a trusted brand that brings joy to customers while providing you with a reliable source of income.